Okay, so I just wanted to go over one last thing with exponents, just to show you something. So let's just start with a to the. We're going to use a number just to kind of show this out. So a to the fourth. Okay, a to the fourth equals a times a times a times a, right? Okay, a to the third power. That's a times a times a. A to the second power equals a times a. A to the first power equals a. How a to the 0th power? Well, if you notice, to get from a to the fourth power to a to the third power, we're dividing out one of our a's for each time we go down in a power. So if we divide a to the first power, and we could show this, right? If we know our properties of exponents, a to the first power divided by a to the first power would be a to the 1 minus 1. Well, what happens when we divide something by itself? What do we get? We get 1. So a to the 0th power, don't let that tempt you to be a 1. To be a 0, it's 1. Okay, anything raised to the 0th power is the same thing as dividing it by itself. Okay, how about a to the negative 1? And we've already gone over this property, but think about it again. We're taking our previous one and we're dividing by a. So a to the negative 1 would be 1 over a. A to the negative 2 is 1 over a times a. And we can keep going with that. Okay, I just wanted to show that as a side note.